Employee onboarding solutions help businesses get new employees set up with all the information, software, and other resources they need when starting a job. These solutions are essential for making employees as productive as possible as soon as possible. Employee onboarding is especially important for growing companies, as it becomes impractical to handle onboarding for a large amount of new employees manually. Employee onboarding solutions often come as part of a larger HR software suite, but dedicated onboarding tools also exist. All employee onboarding solutions are designed to be scalable and to automate as many manual processes as possible. It can be tricky to decide which employee onboarding solutions are right for your business. To make your decision easier, we synthesized hundreds of user reviews from trustradius.com to determine what the best use cases are for the most popular employee onboarding solutions, as well as their pros and cons. Paychex Flex is a popular HR management solution that includes features for onboarding new employees. In addition to allowing employees to manage benefits, payroll, and more, it also has features for disseminating onboarding information and provisioning resources. Users love Paychex Flex for its usability. Despite offering a large number of features, users find the interface simple to learn and use. Additionally, when users of Paychex Flex do need help, they praise the vendor's responsiveness and helpful support. The software does have some important drawbacks and limitations to consider. One is that it may offer more than you need if you are just looking for an employee onboarding solution. It can be more expensive than dedicated onboarding solutions. Additionally, the software does include support for onboarding, but primarily in the context of HR enrollment. If you have a lot of technical resources that need to be provisioned, a more specialized tool may be appropriate. Paychex Flex is an ideal tool for businesses that need a fully featured HR tool. If you already have an HR management tool, or don't need all the features they have on offer, a different tool may be more appropriate. Silkroad Onboarding is a specialized onboarding tool that integrates with other HR management solutions. In addition to helping new employees get onboarded in terms of HR benefits and payroll, it also helps provision software and resources as needed. The software is also designed to support enterprises, but it may also be appropriate for smaller businesses that are growing quickly or bring on new employees often. Users of Silkroad Onboarding appreciate how easy it is to set up consistent, automated onboarding for new employees. Reviewers find that employees are able to get up to speed quickly and start being productive as soon as possible. Users also find the tool to be highly customizable to any onboarding needs. One drawback of Silkroad Onboarding is that while it is highly customizable, it is difficult to learn for new administrators. The user interface can be confusing, and there aren't as many resources for learning as users would like. Compounding this, users note that support is helpful, but sometimes can be slow. Users should expect a learning curve with Silkroad Onboarding. Silkroad Onboarding is an ideal tool for businesses that are looking for a dedicated onboarding tool, particularly if they already have an HR management tool. It may not be a good choice for businesses that aren't willing to spend some time learning to use a difficult product. Greenhouse is an applicant tracking solution that also includes onboarding features for applicants once they are hired. Like the other two solutions discussed here, Greenhouse focuses on HR onboarding for payroll and benefits, but it also includes some features for software onboarding. One benefit of Greenhouse is that it already has all the contact information for applicants, which makes it easy to start onboarding employees as soon as they accept a job offer. Users of Greenhouse appreciate how easy it is to customize onboarding and offer templates, as well as customizing appearances to add brand colors and logos. Users also appreciate how the software takes applicants through the entire recruitment process, including onboarding, ideally making employees ready to go on day one. Additionally, unlike Silkroad and Paychex, Greenhouse is less focused on the enterprise space, which can make it a strong choice for smaller businesses. Greenhouse does have some limitations and drawbacks worth considering. One is that it is difficult to set admin permissions. As a result, you may not be able to give a user access to customize onboarding without giving them access to the entire recruitment process. Additionally, while Greenhouse includes reporting features for onboarding and recruitment, many users would prefer if these reports were more customizable. Greenhouse is a great choice for smaller businesses or any business looking for an applicant tracking system. It may not be ideal for businesses looking for a tool with stronger reporting options. Greenhouse, Silkroad Onboarding, and Paychex Flex are all strong onboarding options, but there are a few key differentiators. Greenhouse is ideal for businesses that want onboarding and applicant tracking features. Paychex Flex is ideal for businesses that want a complete HR tool, and Silkroad onboarding is ideal for businesses looking for a specialized onboarding tool. If you still aren't sure which tool is right for you, or if you want to see more options, consider checking out some verified reviews on TrustRadius. All reviews are from real users who share their experiences, use cases, pros, and cons. If you liked this video, consider liking or subscribing so that you never miss an upload.